First open Start and type Control Panel. Open Control Panel. Click on Uninstall Program. Right-click Visual Microsoft C++ x64. Click on Uninstall. Now right-click Microsoft Visual C++ x86. Click on Uninstall. Now click on the link that you will find in the description of this video. Select your language and click on Download. Select both file and click on Next. Wait for file to be downloaded. Now open VC Redist x64. Accept and press Install. Now open VC Redist x86. Accept and press Install. Now restart and your problem should be fixed.